Hi, it's Angelo here. This is Angelo's Edge, and I got a unboxing I got at Walmart a few days ago. So it's not really truly unboxing because I already opened it because I was having trouble with my phone, and so I bought this. It is a wireless charging pod. I think the actual manufacturer is called Onn, but I think this is the Juice. I think they make like that speaker I bought. It's called the Groove. So I think this company, which is Walmart's company, they have like little tag the Juice. So that's kind of funny. They went a little bit further, kind of related names to what the product is. But anyway, so I have a phone which I'm recording on. I've got a phone started getting a fault saying moisture detected in the USB port. So I did the usual internet searches, and I found, well, put it in rice or stuff like that. So I put it in rice overnight, and it worked for about I don't know, a day, and then the fault came back again. So I got back on the internet, online Google, and found that people clean their ports out with a toothpick. I did that, and it worked for a while, for about half the day, and then the fault came back. So I was thinking, well, I think something's not right. I have a refurbished S7 Galaxy that I had trouble with my original one, so that they gave me a refurbished one back. So I got about 3 months ago, I had the same fault. So I think it comes back randomly. But but this also has so I needed my phone. I needed to charge. I knew it had a wireless capability to charge. So with I think 50% left on my phone battery, and of course it was Sunday when it happened, so nothing was open. So I was up Walmart, and so I jetted down to Walmart and bought this wireless charging pod, and I plugged it in, and it worked. For the most part, it worked pretty good. And the only problem I had was the day I got it, it charged it up 100%. I took it off, and it said I wasn't using the right charger. So I plugged the original charger back in the USB port, and I guess that cleared the fault or whatever. And I've used it ever since. So it's been almost like 4 or 5 days now, and it charges it up fine. So here's what comes in the box. You get the information. So this was a $26 one. It was a little more. They had $12 ones, but I got the $26 one because I read on Samsung's website the Q compatible devices, which is my Samsung, needed it said at least 15 watts, but I didn't see anything that's 15 watts there. So I found this one was 7.5 to 10 watts. So I figured that's the next best thing. So it basically comes with your little thing here, your I guess transformer, plugs in the wall, and you plug that in. It's pretty decent long. I think it's about 6 foot. I think it's about 6 foot cord. It's not a super short one, and it's not super long, but it's actually a decent size. It's an average size I think you would get with a cell phone. And it's kind of cloth type. I think it's a knit, but you'd plug like you always do, and plug that in there, and then this light will come on. If I have it plugged in. I can't show you with my phone because I'm using it to record, but basically you lay your phone on here with the back to it, lay the back on it. I think I should have read the directions. That's how I've been doing it. Yeah. Oh, yeah, that's right. Oh, yeah, you lay your back of the phone on it, you kind of center it, and then when you're doing that, this light will blink, and then it'll go solid, so you know it's charging, and your phone will pop up and with something saying charging or whatever. So I don't have none. I know they have the pop. They're showing those people have the pop things or whatever those are. I don't have that on my phone. I do have like a whatever, a protected cover. I take that off. It seems to charge with it on, but I think it's probably better to take it off. So I've been just taking it off, and it charges up fine. It's not bad. It charges decently quick. So I'm stoked. I guess hopefully it will prolong my phone. So like I said, this one's already, I don't know how old this phone actually is, because like I said, I got it from the Verizon store, like under insurance, and they gave me a used one, so it could be, I don't know, who knows how old this phone is, but it's supposed to be refurb, so well, it's at least as old as the Galaxy 7, but I had this one at least a year, so I'm guessing it's probably 3 or 4, maybe 5 years old, and so, but anyways, that's not the point of the video. The point is, if at last resort, this thing does work, Juice Onn wireless charging port, if, I mean, you're in a bind, and it worked for mine, so, and I've been using it for the past week, and it works good. You just lay the phone on there. Only thing I'd say is, like, they had other version that was like, it stood up, it looked like this, but it like almost like you lay it down or stand it up. And after now, once I knew it worked, I kind of wish I would have bought the one that stood it up. That way it cradles it, because the only bad thing is you're in the car, there's nothing sticky on it. It slides off. So I got a rubber band, and I basically rubber band my phone to the charging thing, and that works pretty good. But I try to charge it before I get in the car, because it's just easier that way. But yeah, so like I said, you get this collapsible transformer power port that goes in the wall. This also lights up when you plug it in. See, I wonder if I'll see if I can plug it in and see. So you can see it lights up, and like that, like I said, then when you lay your phone on it, it detects it. This light right here will start blinking, and then you gotta start charging, and it's pretty much it. I don't really have anything else. It says for smartphone, tablets, and other QI enabled devices, and it says it charges through the case by the box. I haven't tried it really. I know it does charge. I just don't. I thought it seemed to me like it charges faster. Quick charge, quickly charges 3. Oh, it's a 5-foot cable. Power throwaway. There's cables. I was telling you, it's like, oh, you know, you can throw away the cables and stuff like that. Basically goes on about the Q certified safe. 5-watt standard chargers for Q enables devices. 7.5 charging for iPhone. And let's see. It just goes into details. The L right there is my S7. So there's 10-watt fast charging for Samsung Galaxy S10, S9, S8, S8 Plus, S7, S7 Edge, Note 5. So right there it does. I took a chance, but it does. It says it has my phone, which is the S7. So it does take care of it like that. So, but anyways, not a knife video, but if I don't have my phone make my videos, then there are no videos. So, alright, if you like videos like this, knife videos, open unboxings, and even I've been kind of dabbling in a little bit of electronics unboxings, like, share, and subscribe. Alright, see you later. Bye.